So welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadeva classes. You are in standard 4 and this is your textbook of your standard 4 English Bal Bharati. English Bal Bharati. Today we are going to start your third poem, the Recess. It is known as the Recess. So what is the poem? Let's see. Girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout while here and there. With quiet air, groups of children walk about. So, girls and boys, what do you do in the recess? What girls and boys do in the recess? They make a lot of noise. They make a lot of noise. They run, they jump, they laugh, they shout, they do anything. They go here, they go there. With quiet air, group of children walk about. सब जण इधर उधर भागते रहते. तुम्हाला माहित असेल ग्रुप रिसेस मध्ये मुलं काय करतात ते. A game begins, but no one wins. A game begins, but no one wins. A game begins, but no one wins. Although they play with might and main for long before the game is over. The bells rings out for school again. Out for school again. So what happens? There is a beginning of the game, but no one wins because the bell rings. Bell rings and the recess is over. The recess is over. So very small poem is given to you. Let's see, and I'll think I'll give some more study also for you. Let's see some of the question answers. So the bell rings and no one wins. So what is recess? You know very well that it is a break, the break between school classes. What is recess? It is a break between school classes. With quiet air means looking quiet. With might and means with all the strength. And over means over. Or means over. Okay, guys. So let's have some question answers. Let's find out some of the question answers. During the recess, what do children in the poem do? During the recess, what do children in the recess do? What do they do? What do they do? They they make lot of noise. Okay, they make lot of noise. They run, they jump, they laugh, they shout, they go here and they go with quiet air, and with quiet air the group of children walk about. This is the answer. So question number 1 we have seen. During the recess, what do children do in this poem? Question number 2, why does no one win? Why does no one win? Because as soon as the game begins and before it ends, the bell rings. The bell rings out for school again. The bell rings out for school again, right? Okay. For long before the game is over, for long before the game is over, but for long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. So this is your answer.